Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to read this story, but it's called The Ugly Duckling, based on a true story by Hans Christian Andersen, rewritten by Majd Tovey, and illustrated by Cynthia Douglas. Let's start the story. Miss Duck was sitting on her eggs. Such lovely eggs, she quacked. I could hardly wait for them to hatch. Suddenly she heard a cracking sound. The eggs were hatching. 5 fuzzy yellow ducklings tumbled out of their shells. Hop, hop, peep, peep, peep. Miss Duck beamed with her happiness. So there's a mama duck and her baby ducklings. But let's see what's happening next. But what is this? She quacked. There is one egg left, a great big one, and it is starting to hatch. The great big egg cracked open. Out tumbled the biggest duckling Miss Duck had ever seen. Hop, 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 beep, beep, beep. He was all gray, with huge feet and a long, long neck. You see the duckling, boys and girls? Huge feet and a long, long neck. And look, the egg's about to crack. That very day, Miss Duck marched her new family to the pond. Look, smart ducklings, she quacked. Feathers straight, beaks up, and feet turned out. Stand in line and follow me. Oh, there she goes. Ooh. Beaks up, feet turned out, and follow Mama Duck. Look at the duckling right here. Oh, he's so cute. Miss Goose, Miss Hen, and Miss Turkey were already at the pond with their babies. What a family of little ducklings, they called to Miss Duck. Then they saw the last duckling. What a long neck, honk, Miss Goose. What big feet, cackled Miss Hen. What happened to his feathers, gobbled Miss Turkey. Oh dear, what an ugly duckling, agreed all the farmyard fowl. Uh-oh. I guess the hen, the turkey, and the goose didn't like the little duckling. And they're making fun of him. And that's not right. Look, they are. Just then, the ugly duckling tripped over his own big feet and fell on his beak. Everyone laughed. Ha 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 ha! Poor ugly duckling. He hid his head under his wing. That's not right. They're laughing at him, and he's sad. That was just the start of Ugly Duckling's trouble. Nobody in the barnyard liked him. The chicks wouldn't share their corn with him. The baby turkeys tripped him when he ran after a bug. The goslings made him eat whenever they played tag. Everyone pointed at his big feet and long neck. So everyone is laughing at him, don't want to be friends with him, and they're making fun of him. And they're even tripping him, they're hurting him, and that's not right. Ugly Duckling spent most of his time paddling in the pond by himself. He sighed when he looked at his reflection in the water. What is wrong with me? He asked himself. Why doesn't anybody want to be my friends? One day, a flock of birds with elegant wings, snowy white feathers, and long necks flew over the pond. Ugly Duckling had never seen anything so beautiful. Why couldn't he be like them? So he's at the pond all by himself, so lonely. But when he looked up in the sky, he see a group of swans flying over the pond. So let's see what's gonna happen next. The days were getting shorter, the nights were getting colder, but Ugly Duckling was not welcome in the warm barn. He paddled across the pond. He hid in the long grass with his head under his wing. He stayed there through the long, icy winter. So there he is, boys and girls. He's all by himself in the pond in the cold weather. At last, warm spring days brightened the pond. All the barnyard fowl came back to swim and play in